With the M1 chipset, the iPad Pro was already a very capable tool for getting the job done. Recently, Apple increased the iPad Pro's capabilities by adding the M2 chipset. As a result, it became extremely vital and needed to be protected at all costs. Additionally, the appropriate iPad Pro case can secure your investment from any unintentional damage. To protect your iPad Pro from all sides, we've compiled a list of the top 5 iPad Pro M2 cases. And if you're interested in buying any of these, links are in the description. We are not affiliated to any of these businesses, so recommendation is totally unbiased. The Logitech Combo Touch. New levels of versatility are made possible by this iPad Pro Touch keyboard case combo from Logitech. While keeping the iPad Pro protected from every angle in a form-fitting case, you may type, browse, read, and sketch while keeping it well protected. The keyboard on Combo Touch is detachable, allowing you to store it out of the way when not in use. Even the kickback stand, which is adjustable, is included in this case, giving you even more freedom while you type or watch videos. Additionally, you may experience responsive navigation and multi-touch motions with the biggest trackpad. OtterBox Defender Series. Whether it is iPhone or iPad, OtterBox never disappoints when it's all about protection, and their Defender series for iPad Pro is at its best without skimping on style. It offers multi-layer protection to keep your iPad Pro safe from accidental drops, bumps, and shocks. With an outer slip cover, this case feels grippy, so there's a high chance not to slip out of your hand. Besides, port covers can block dust, dirt, and debris from getting into jacks and ports. You will also get a versatile stand for comfortable typing and hands-free viewing. ESR Hybrid Case. With or without the cover, the ESR Hybrid Case is sturdy enough to keep your iPad Pro safe. Yes, it contains a removable magnetic cover that effectively protects your device from the front and back. It even has shock-absorbing sides to completely protect the body from drops, bumps, and scratches. Plus, you can easily switch between portrait and landscape orientations with a versatile stand, giving you the ideal viewing angle no matter what. In addition, keeps your Apple Pencil in place as it charges wirelessly. The Zugu Case. The Zugu case for the iPad Pro achieves the ideal mix between fantastic full body protection and remaining sleek and stylish. To offer tough protection, it has TPU and PC casings installed. Thus, even after an unintentional drop, your iPad Pro is safe. In order to assist you go through daily life, although being quite slim, it offers drop protection up to 5 feet. If you're working or watching content while cooking, you can get the ideal viewing angle with its magnetic stand. Additionally, you may connect it to any metal surface, thanks to its magnetic mount. Additionally, you can keep your Apple Pencil secure in the elegant holder. Magic Keyboard Folio Case. If you want to get the most benefits from the Apple devices, you obviously have to be in their ecosystem. And the Magic Keyboard Folio Case for iPad Pro is a perfect companion for both protection and a workstation when it's not using it as a keyboard. It protects your device from everyday scratches and bumps, so you will have some peace of mind while carrying your iPad Pro around. Plus, an adjustable stand offers a smooth, continuous viewing angle while working or watching your favorite content. The versatile two-piece design includes a detachable keyboard, so if a task comes up, all you have to do is magnetically attach it to your iPad Pro to get your job done. Furthermore, a 14-key function row and trackpad allow you to handle tasks with precision. So those are the top 5 iPad Pro M2 covers for you. Which one do you want to purchase? Please comment below, and as usual, thanks for watching our video. If you found this video useful, Please like and subscribe to our channel if you'd want to see more stuff like it in the future.